Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes from Dream Pairs to go ahead and kind of show you all the cool features. You're going to love them. Check these out. These are a beautiful little open toe, strappy and sexy stiletto shoes with sparkly bows. They have 4-inch stilettos, 4-inch heels right there. As you can see, they're nice and strappy. The bows themselves are rhinestone encrusted. You can see it is really, really sparkly. Look at all that. And it's encrusted on both sides, so it's not like a cheapie, just sort of a glue it on there. That is a rhinestone ribbon. That entire thing is a piece. But you can see it's like a little butterfly or like a little bow. The actual shoe itself has a buckle on the side, so it is comfortable. You just open that up, obviously. The rhinestones extend to all of the straps all along. It does come in different colors. This is obviously the black, as you can see. The over the toe strap as well. This is actually kind of nice. There's a little clear strap there to make it a little more comfortable, a little more hold. I know that sometimes my wife will have these sorts of shoes, and they literally just have one little thin strap, and it actually cuts into her foot. These are a little more comfy because they do have that wider plastic strap. But when you're wearing them, you almost can't see them. It's really, really amazing. So you can see these are great shoes. These would be wonderful for prom, for dances, for weddings, anything where you have to really, really dress up. You want to go sparkly, you want to go cute, you want to go open toe, you want to go with stilettos. This is the way to go. My daughter has already claimed these. She had a couple pairs picked out for her 8th grade dance. These are the ones she's going to jump on. She loves them. They are so cute. I'm pretty sure you'll like them too. And they're from Dream Pairs, and they really are really, really, really nice looking shoes.